The most flexible expansion giants in industry are European. Service, quality, technical support and on-time delivery is key for the success of any company, but especially those who work in the production industry field. Flexibility. This is one of the most asked for features for a company to be on the market. Fast timings, increasing market demands, top quality with the best conformity. Producing special products for a worldwide market, custom series and co-projecting specific items exactly for customer requests is not a thing as easy as it seems, because quality is usually a thing related better to large-scale productions. But industry hasn't only large quantities demands, and there are many spaces left in the demanding industry. We visited an Italian company specialized in stainless steel flexible components, which is focused on giving both quality and custom-made products in both large and small quantities, which is something that usually we cannot have altogether. How is it even possible?
As far as our market is concerned, that is stainless steel flexible hoses and bellows, it's a combination of the company footprint and our strategy. We are a solid company that in over 60 years has developed constantly a strong competence, which we use as a leverage to address our future.
And what is the feature of your company that you think is the most important?
It's set by our ability to supply products with a sound design, even for limited series, with consistent quality with a reasonable lead time. In a word, we solve our customers' problem with commitment.
What are the features of your service?
The market values especially the high quality of our technical support and our commitment to on-time delivery.
How is it possible for your company to work in such many application fields?
I think that is the ability to develop any project with the competence that comes from the experience built up in a wide range of industrial applications. We're able to understand and translate our customers' language